Ah, all my job is done, but my colleagues are still working. Let me help them with some tips which might increase their productivity. All of you might be having such a friend who has plenty of tips and tricks, who looks cool, and you think the person is a pro at computers. Want to look cool like him, huh? So in today's video, I am going to tell you about an app which will help you get useful tips to make you more productive and efficient in your work. Ready? Let's go. Before we get started, please do the SLSC. SLSC means subscribe, like, share, and comment. Please do it. Your support pushes me to deliver a better experience every time you watch my videos. Now we are ready. So the name of the app is Tips. Tips is a very easy to use application developed by Microsoft. It is present in Windows 10 by default. Now let's move to my screen. Alright, so when you search tips through the start menu, you should see the app here. If you do not see the app here, well, you might have deleted the app in the history. Do not worry, this app is available at Microsoft Store, so you can download it from there. Once you have downloaded the app, you can launch the application. Once you launch the application, you will be able to see many categories of tips and tricks. So you can just select a category for which you want to learn the tips. For example, you are a student and you are learning remotely right now. So you have some tips for learning remotely. Just click here and you will be able to see some slides regarding the tip. Nothing complicated, right? In some of the cases, there will be an option to try the feature so that you remember it whenever you need to use it. Let me find one such slide and I'll meet you in a moment. Alright, so I have found that in this slide there is an option to open Cortana and try this feature. The feature says you can set an alarm with Cortana. So let's actually try this. When you want to try the feature out, just press open Cortana. So let's speak to Cortana and say set alarm for 12 a.m. Set alarm for 12 a.m.
Sure thing. I've turned on your alarm for 12 a.m. on.
Oh, here you can see that Cortana has set an alarm for us. So in this way you can also try the feature out. Once you are all done by learning the features and studying some new tips and tricks, you can close the application now. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed watching the video. If you did, let me remind you to do the SLSC. SLSC means subscribe, like, share, and comment. Please do it. And I'll meet you in my next video. Until then, stay happy, stay safe. Bye.